Jackie from Week 99er here. So we're getting back to our regular schedule, and we're going to do a special unboxing today, and it's kind of blend between things we've done in the past and focusing on different products, as well as things that you're going to really want to pick up for yourself. So our friends at Crash Jewelry, they sent us a couple of their goodies. Now, Crash Jewelry sent us these to unbox, and we have a special discount code just for our viewers. Now, all of their items, they're upcycled items, but they're very, very special. We love recycled items here. One of the things that, we always try to recycle, we try to compost, try to do everything, kind of eco-friendly, but these have a very, very special market. Now, all of Crash Jewelry's items are made out of pieces of luxury vehicles. So besides the fact they're all unique, each item is bespoke, it's different, it's something that you're not going to be able to just go pick off a shelf. There are certain stores you can find these in, but each one is going to be unique. And this is perfect for the woman that's a car enthusiast in your life. And I love them because they're recycled, but I love them also because they're from vehicles that I dream that I can afford someday, but at this point cannot. So let's get into these. Now, this item that she sent me, this bracelet that's in here, it's a cuff. It is something that she showed me. It didn't even make it on the website. It is the only one of its kind. And we're going to open this up. Now, before I even get into it, I will tell you each one comes with a little card that tells you about the story, and they're based out of Los Angeles. And it has a certificate of authenticity. And on the back, it tells you the day it was made, who made it, and the type of vehicle it's made from. Now, this is from a Huracan and a Ferrari as well. So I want to show you this. I loved this bracelet when she showed it to me because it's almost a little bit of an Art Deco. It is a little peacock, and it's made out of pieces of a car. So what's so great about these bracelets, besides the fact she took my measurements and made sure that this one will absolutely fit me, on the inside, it tells you when it was made. Again, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. And it does tell you the type of cars it was made from. So Lamborghini and a Ferrari, and I'm gonna put it on right. And it fits perfectly. Now, this I could wear to automotive events. I could wear it out. It is, like I said, it's a one-of-a-kind piece, and it's absolutely fabulous. So that's the first item. So what I will tell you is the items from Crash Jewelry are all handmade, and they are from luxury vehicles. So there is a luxury price that comes with them. However, you can get items like these earrings that I'm going to take out, maybe. They are under $100, but they are a very special gift for somebody. Or if you're like me, I'm going to probably buy several more of her items because they're items that I want for me. And again, these are items that I don't know that I'll be able to afford the car someday myself as much as I would love to. But these pieces of jewelry are so unique. And there's something that I always love to pick up when traveling is jewelry or something small that I can take with me and that has different memories. And I think that these items are something that kind of fit that bill. So the next item she sent me are these earrings. Now, these are from Rolls-Royce Ghosts. Now, I'll link to the video up above, but I was able to drive a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. I have not been able to drive a Ghost. It is a dream car of mine. But these both of these items have this almost Art Deco feel, and I love that. And they're both from pieces of cars that I would absolutely love. Now, on the back of these earrings, this one actually says Rolls-Royce right on the back of it. I absolutely love these. These ones are a little heavier. Remember, they are made from pieces of car, and it does have Crash on the back and the date. So all of these items, these earrings, I believe, were listed on the site for $85. Not horrible, especially for what they are. But I do love, love, love the quality of them. They're beautifully made, and they're just spectacular, and they can go with almost everything. So Crash Jewelry has created a discount code, and I will put it up here in the notes as well in the notes below, where you can save 15% on their site. We know it's a little late from Valentine's Day, but if you missed something for the woman in your life who loves cars, or at any point, you can use this code and save 15% on some of these fine pieces. So that's it for today. Hopefully very soon we're going to have a little bit more about Crash Jewelry on our page. And I just wanted to share these with you guys today. So that's it. I will see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, and we will see you then. Bye.